rewards may come, you may be happy about it, you may feel good about it, you may show it to your friends and family. But that doesn't get you anywhere. What gets you is when you make your product or service and reach the market and are making your customers happy. Making customers happy and make money in the process, reinvest that, scale. We have a very large number of youngsters. A large number of people simply would be very happy to learn and do well. Learn and able to learn in the process and able to build things. We believe that technically you are to become the best. It is not the individual who are the best. In fact, most of the leaders are technically not the best. But they are able to get the people who can solve the technology problem. They are able to take help part-time, full-time. They are able to get that. And number two, then, as I sort of pointed out again and again, financially succeed.
Been part of this ecosystem for the past close to 5 years now. It's a wonderful ecosystem here. We have industry, academia, startups. We have the IIT Madras right across the road here, and it's a lot of energy here. You see a lot of startups in neighboring offices trying to do different stuff. There's a good culture of sharing between these companies on their challenges and how they've overcome that.
We represent the ePlane company. It's an urban aerial mobility startup incubated at IIT Madras at the Incubation Cell and Research Park. We're building a two-seater electric aircraft to move people in cities in about 5 years' time. What you have here today is a smaller version of the same. It is a 2 to 6 kg payload carrying drone. We've been incubated at IIT Madras for almost more than a year now, and we're very thankful to the ecosystem that has helped us grow the startup at the pace that we have. Today we are almost a nine-member team based out of IIT Madras. I also have my co-founder here today, who is not in this video, but I'd like to mention him, Professor Satya Chakravarti, a professor of aerospace at IIT Madras for almost 22 years. One of my achievements as a 22-year-old is getting him to take a sabbatical and to work full-time on this as my CTO.
So, Solinas Integrity is a deep tech startup company focused on developing robotic inspection solutions for pipelines. Today the company is already in the field performing operations in water-filled pipelines. So Solinas journey here in the incubation cell has been very memorable. We have had extensive support from incubation cell. Today this is one of the top ecosystems for deep tech startup companies in the country, not only because of the excellent infrastructure here, the support system in the incubation cell and at the research park, but also and not the least being in proximity to IIT Madras. So we get access to the top talent, we get access to the top technology. For example, my own lab, the Center for Non-Destructive Evaluation, we work very closely with several startups including Solinas, which are licensing our technologies and delivering products which have value in the society and in industry. So going forward, I think we are looking forward to graduating from incubation cell and then moving on to performing greater in jobs with greater impact in the society and industry.
Hi, I'm Sriram, founder of Modeless Housing Solutions. So we are incubated at IIT Incubation Cell. So our journey started during the Chennai floods 2016. When the whole city was drowning in floods, we thought we'll come up with some kind of rapid housing solutions. So that is how the whole concept of foldable house came into picture. And then we came into IIT Incubation Cell for validating our idea. So they told we have a good product and good problem, but we don't have a sustainable business. So in order to build a sustainable business, we were identifying other markets, starting from construction, oil and gas, defense and so on. So these kind of cabins are the microstructures which can be used in different areas, starting from defense and other purpose.
Hi, so myself Varun, is Ravi Shankar. We are the founders of Skyraptor Technologies. So we incubated here 1 year back, 2018. So about Skyraptor, we are bicycle manufacturing company. So what we develop is we are developing internal gearbox for bicycle applications. And last 1 year we got a good mentorships and Investor Connect Pro IITM Incubation Cell. We are very happy about it. And also here we will get a lot of connectivity, not only for technological development and also investment point of view. So we are very glad to get all the connects.
Hi, I'm Roshan, the co-founder of EarthFocus. EarthFocus is a green tech startup that was primarily started off as a home project for water conservation. So we manufacture these nozzles that atomize water, and you save about 95% water. We were incubated in IIT Madras about 6 months back. And the primary reason why we approached IIT Madras is because the technical knowledge that we hope to gain from here, and it's been really good. We've been talking to a lot of professors over here and have been really helpful in explaining what atomization is, the different types of atomization, and how we can actually leverage it to different kind of products.
I'm Anand from Antariksh Space Ventures. We build smart bins. So we started off 2 years back, incubated in IIT Madras Research Park, and we started off with a vision called clear every bin before it overflows. Right now we have a pilot which is running in Tiruvannur, Valmiki Nagar, wherein we have converted 5 normal bins into smart bins. So it tells me the fill level at any point of time and sends the notification automatically to the supervisor sanitation team.
Hey, hi, you're in the Center of Excellence related to battery engineering and electric vehicle. When I talk about battery engineering, we focus on the physical of the battery, like battery management system and battery packing. So we use technologies like thermal management, mechanism, and electric and electronics. When I talk about electric vehicle, we concentrate mostly on the subsystems like chargers, motors, and controllers. So likewise, the center has nurtured a lot of startups, and it has been right now situated in IIT Madras Research Park, which have a good ecosystem related to many things.
We are the team from ABB, and my name is Arvind. I represent ABB Technology Ventures, and my colleagues are from corporate research. We are very pleased to be at IIT Madras Incubation Cell. I'm a regular visitor, and my colleagues too, and it's always exciting to meet new startups and see what's happening in the technology space. We are currently collaborating with a few startups who have graduated out of the incubation cell, and we are also an investor in Stellapse, who was IIT Madras incubated. So I'm very pleased to see a lot of activity going on, and great to be among startups again today.
While I am working in the Digital India's project and going to the schools or colleges in tribal areas or village areas, I come to know about the major absency among school girls or college girls. While I come to know about it's the problem of menstrual hygiene, and at that time I decided to start Sri Swabhiman Sanitary Napkins Manufacturing Unit. Thank you for Government of Maharashtra to rewarding me this and also getting invitation at IIT Madras.
So thank you IIT Madras for giving this opportunity to us for display our product and people to interact with each other. So thank you so much.
We have started our company since 2012, and we employ more than 130 employees under our company. So especially this is based to the women for rural peoples. So this for livelihood for the women of rural peoples.
So yeah, thank you from our side. Thanks again IIT Madras, Government of India, Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship to give us this unique opportunity of being here, presenting to potential customers, investors, incubators. It's been a great experience. Thank you so much.
Hello, this is Shivaranjani and I represent my collective Sura, and we are from Kannarapetai, a village beyond Kadalur town. So in November 2019 we got selected, we got nominated for NEAS award under the textile category and the A1 category. So from then on the journey has been very beautiful because we've had an ecosystem of different enterprises.